This video is about the marvelous garlic. It is a treasure trove of health benefits. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a wonder herb that has been celebrated for centuries for its various health benefits and culinary uses. This humble bulb, with its pungent aroma and distinct flavor, has found its way into kitchens across the globe and is an integral part of many cuisines. Beyond its culinary appeal, garlic boasts a myriad of health advantages, making it a treasure trove of wellness. This video aims to explore 10 prominent benefits of garlic, methods of consumption, and where to find this remarkable herb. 1. Immune system boost. One of the most prominent benefits of garlic is its ability to bolster the immune system. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, particularly allicin, which plays a vital role in enhancing immune responses. Allicin has been shown to stimulate white blood cells, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of garlic can contribute to a stronger immune system and reduce the risk of falling prey to common ailments. 2. Cardiovascular health. Garlic has long been lauded for its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier heart. Allicin, once again, is the key compound responsible for these cardiovascular benefits. Garlic aids in improving blood flow, reducing the risk of blood clots, and maintaining optimal blood pressure, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common factor in many chronic diseases. Garlic possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of organosulfur compounds. These compounds help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially aiding in the prevention and management of inflammatory conditions, such as osteoarthritis and certain cardiovascular diseases. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Garlic is recognized for its potential in reducing the risk of various types of cancer. Allicin, along with other sulfur compounds in garlic, has been linked to inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing the development of tumors. While more research is needed in this area, incorporating garlic into a balanced diet may offer a protective effect against certain types of cancer. 5. Digestive health. Garlic can play a beneficial role in promoting a healthy digestive system. It aids in regulating the digestive tract and may alleviate gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and indigestion. Additionally, garlic supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a balanced and healthy gut. 6. Detoxification and liver health. The sulfur compounds in garlic assist in the detoxification process within the body. Garlic helps the liver eliminate toxins and supports its overall function. By promoting liver health, garlic aids in ensuring the efficient removal of harmful substances from the body, contributing to general well-being. 7. Respiratory health. Garlic has been used traditionally to alleviate respiratory problems such as asthma and common colds. Its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties can help ease symptoms associated with respiratory conditions and may aid in preventing recurrent infections. 8. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic exhibits potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a natural defense against bacterial and viral infections. It can help in combating infections ranging from the common cold to more serious ailments. Garlic's natural antibiotic properties make it an excellent choice for maintaining overall health. 9. Improved athletic performance. Some research suggests that garlic may improve athletic performance. It is believed to reduce fatigue and enhance physical endurance by improving oxygen utilization and reducing muscle soreness. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often consume garlic as a natural supplement to aid in their performance and recovery. 10. Rich nutritional profile. Beyond its medicinal properties, garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. It is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. Incorporating garlic into your diet ensures you receive a variety of nutrients vital for maintaining good health. What are the methods of consuming garlic? Garlic can be consumed in various forms to reap its numerous health benefits. Some popular methods of consumption include raw. Eating raw garlic provides the most potent health benefits, as the glycine content is highest in raw garlic. However, the strong flavor and pungent odor can be overpowering for some. Cooked garlic can be added to a variety of dishes during cooking, enhancing the flavor and retaining many of its health benefits. It's a versatile ingredient in soups, stir-fries, sauces, and more. Powder. Garlic powder is a convenient option for those looking to incorporate garlic into their diet easily. It can be added to dishes during cooking or sprinkled on top of prepared meals. Capsules or supplements. Garlic supplements are available in the form of capsules or tablets, providing a concentrated dose of garlic's active compounds. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using supplements. Where can you find garlic? Garlic is widely available in supermarkets, grocery stores, and local markets throughout the year. Fresh garlic bulbs are typically found in the produce section, while garlic powder, minced garlic, and garlic supplements can be found in the spice aisle or health food section. Additionally, garlic can be purchased from farmers markets or specialty stores that offer a wide range of herbs and spices. In summary, garlic is a versatile and potent herb that offers a multitude of health benefits. From enhancing the immune system to promoting cardiovascular health and providing essential nutrients, garlic is a valuable addition to any diet. Whether consumed raw, cooked, or in supplement form, the advantages of garlic are undeniable. Embrace the flavors and health benefits of garlic in your daily meals to enjoy a healthier and more vibrant life.